Welcome back to another video. Today we have the best 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform, by subscribes and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, we got this brushless blower down from $199 to $189. I believe this is the Whisper series blower, one of the newer ones. Pretty nice that it went down on price, at least $10. You got 18-inch gas trimmer. This is a 4-cycle straight shaft. $224 down from $249. I know these are similar deals from last time. These are $125 down from $139. This is an electric pole saw. Yeah, all the stores are pretty much, they have almost the same thing on clearance. They got a heavy duty 25-foot outdoor cord. It's a 12.3, so it's $24. You got this Joby chainsaw, 40 volts, $199, down from $119. So this is a Gen 2. You got some knee pads there for $34.97. Alright, so and then you got the chalk reel here, DeWalt, $12 down from $14.97. Alright, you got the BOGO deal, the battery combo deal that you get a free tool. You might want to double check the price on that. It did not have a price in it. And then I do apologize for the camera. You got $224 down from $299. This whole hog, Milwaukee 12-inch. Then you got the 7 1/4 circular saw down to 201. They don't have the circular saw. They got the vacuum there for $75. Guys, this is the attachment that I keep telling you guys that it's over $20. If you buy that kit, which you guys are gonna see later today, it's $24. So you're paying about $3 for the rest of the kit. You got the MaxFit 30-piece set, $12.97. This is a pretty nice set. Pretty good price. Alright, you got the impact driver for $99. This is the kit. It does come with 2 batteries and charger in the bag. Same thing with the drill driver, $99. These are atomic. These are entry-level brushless tools. Alright, so they got this down to $99. You buy one and get one free. I don't know if they're still doing that. A lot of people are doing that. I don't know if you guys saw my videos of when this went down on price. And I managed to get this for $119 with the free tool. So I don't know if you guys could get that for $99 and get the free tool. Alright, so this is the one that I was telling you guys, that it does come with the right angle attachment. It's $24.88. So about $3 more, you get yourself a free or a nice bed set there, DeWalt bed set. And I don't know if they're still running this deal. They are not. I believe some stores they were running this deal. So you buy one of that impact driver, drill driver, you get a free tool. But on this store they have it crossed out. So I don't know how long they're gonna keep this. You know, this they have a date here, so I don't. Maybe it went down on the 24th. But they do got this deal. This is a really great deal. They got the rear handle circular saw, $249, or the impact driver, drill driver for $279. You get yourself a free tool. You can choose from the brushless hammer drill, the circular saw, the reciprocating saw, jigsaw, the impact driver, the oscillating tool, and the Bluetooth job site speaker. Definitely check it out, guys. This is a great deals there. If you guys want to hack it, you guys can hack it. Remember, guys, you have to go in store and return it in store if that's what you want to do. You got the reciprocating saw. You got the oscillating tool, valued at $129. Alright, you got the hammer drill, you got the impact driver, you got the jigsaw there at the bottom, the circular saw, and that is the kit you guys have to buy for $279. So, pretty nice deals. That's the circular saw. And they got this is a hot glue gun here, down to $34.97. It was $39. So I don't know how well this thing works. I just saw it, so I just thought I'd show you guys. You got the impact duty right angle adapter, $24.97. As I was telling you guys, that DeWalt kit is a killer deal. Even if you don't need it, you're gonna need it later on. You got the cut level 1 nitro dip gloves, $3.97. says extra large. Got the Free Flex, extra large, Milwaukee. You got some safety glasses. Alright, so $9.88 for the 6-piece spade bit set. You get bonus 2 blades. It's a nice little deal here for $9.88. You got the 9-inch 5 TPI X blade with carbide saw blade, $10.97. You got a 3-pack there for $26. So these are not too bad, guys, if you guys are doing demo. Got the compact drill driver, $129. Or you got the 60 piece there. It's not too bad. It does have a lot of stuff. You do get an extension there, some 2-inch bits, a lot of 2-inch bits, some Robertsons, a nut driver. You got the drill driver kit there, and then you got the M12 fan there. That's one of the newer tools. Now you got the vest and the gloves and the glasses there. The prices are up above, but yeah, these are pretty much these are really nice. The ones with the pouch is $12.88. These are the Speed Demon there, the Diablo, 10 piece with the pouch. That's pretty nice. Alright, they got the table saw, DeWalt 8 1/4 table saw, $329. And they do have the Bosch on clear. I don't know if it's on clearance. I think it's just on sale. Bosch. Yeah, it's an 8 1/2, I believe, or it's an 8 1/2 single bevel slider miter saw. So, all right, they got this one on 4. It's a 4.5 gallon air compressor. Down to $273 from $419. They got a whole bunch of rigid deals here. So they got this vacuum here. This is the basic vacuum for $59. 6 gallon wet and dry vacuum, 3.5 horsepower. And they got the bigger brother here for $79.88, down from $89. Then you got the miter saw here for $3.99. It's a 12-inch slider. Alright, so they got the BOGO deal, basically with that slider. You buy that for $3.99. You get yourself a free miter saw stand, a rolling miter saw stand, which is a killer deal, guys. If you guys, just paying that $3.99, might as well get the stand for free, right? So that is the stand. It's a big box. I'm probably going to need a truck for that. And then you got another big box here with the 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. Alright, so they got the BOGOs here. They don't have any of this labeled here, but at the other Home Depots they do have it. So these are all the tools you guys can get for free with the purchase of that $149 kit or that $199 kit. So those are the bare tools you could get for free. So you got the one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the circular saw. Oscillating tool, and that is the kit that you can buy for $199 and get yourself a free tool. And then that is the single tool for $149. Get yourself a free tool. Alright, these are all $99. I really like the LED panel lights. You can get the router, you can get the jigsaw. So all those are your choice here for $99. And then you got these. These are the 2-tool combo kit for $159. It does include a drill and a circular saw. You got impact driver, impact driver, drill driver for $119. I believe these are not brushless tools, so just keep that in mind. And then you got the brushless brad nailer. It's a 8 1/8, I believe. Yeah, 8 1/8. 18 gauge, $169. You got the cold box there for $69.88. You got some ratcheting tie downs, 4-pack, 12 by 1 inch, $9.97. These are pretty nice. I really like the handles on these, the rubber handles, nice big, for bigger hands. So I just wish they were a little bit longer. Maybe about 14 feet would be nice. Got $29.97 for the 3-piece pry bar set. Yeah, we always see this on the holiday season. And then you got the combination wrench set 10-piece for $19.97. And then you got a backpack. This is a light duty backpack. Keep that in mind. It's not the heavy duty, so it's $14. You can use it for just, you know, smaller tools, supplies and stuff like that. You got the 8-piece folding diamond key set, $9.97. So it's your choice here. You can get the T's, you can get the stars, I mean the hex, you can get all that. You got the torque wrenches here at $79 and $89 for the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch. So not too bad on these. You got the knee pads. These are mostly on the cheap side. I mean, you know, something is better than nothing, but obviously if you can, might as well invest in something nicer that's gonna, you know, help your knees in the long run there. You only have one pair. So you got the Husky 15-inch tool bag, $14.97. This one looks pretty nice. Looks pretty rugged. Then you got the sanding and the cutoff discs. These are compatible with the X-Lock. So those are the cutout discs. You got the grinding, and then you got the flap discs there. You got a nice toolbox here. I just really like these toolboxes, but you know the prices obviously are not the best. But I always like to see these boxes. Really great quality on Milwaukee side. You got $8.98. This is a 12-drawer workbench, and then you got the Pro Level Husky. This one's really nice. I think I prefer this one over the Milwaukee. And check that out. Does have a nice lid on the top. You got the nice self-closing drawers. Stainless top. And you got the deep drawers here at the bottom for the power tools, your circular saws, your impact drivers. And then you got your place for the batteries and for the impact driver guns, impact guns. It's a pretty nice set. I would try to open that one, but yeah. It's pretty much where you lay all your chargers and stuff like that, and your impact guns there at the bottom. This one's $9.98, 63-inch 11 drawer, and that's what this side comes up to. So it's pretty nice set. And if you guys are on a budget here, you guys could get this Husky. This is pretty much an entry-level Husky. Still great box, still great quality in my opinion. I would say it's a mid-range box. You know, it's not the higher end, but you know, for that price, I think it's pretty decent for that price. $5.98, 61-inch. They're still running the pack out deal where you buy $219, you get a free meal crate. Guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.